If you prefer a data-based buying guide, then you are in the right place. Welcome to our channel. We are techies, not salesmen. No flashy words or biased opinions. We made this list based on the big data collected from customers, manufacturers, as well as our data providers. Thanks to our exclusive unsupervised learning AI system, analyzing and comparing all these products couldn't be more accurate or efficient. We list the best buy products and their competitive advantages. This list includes options for every type of consumer. If you want more information and the updated prices on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below and feel free to subscribe. Okay, now let's start our list.
Introducing the M12 Cordless 1/4-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver, part of the industry's most versatile subcompact system from Milwaukee. Featuring a 2-speed gearbox with 18 clutch settings and up to 275 inch-pounds of torque, the M12 screwdriver delivers superior power and precision for unmatched versatility. Slim grip and improved ergonomics optimize comfort and control for all-day use, while a reversible belt clip provides tool belt portability. All M12 tools are controlled by Milwaukee's patented Red Link intelligence to protect your investment against overload, and powered by M12 Red Lithium batteries for more power, more runtime, and more recharges than any battery on the market. Versatile, compact, and powerful, the M12 1/4-inch hex 2-speed screwdriver, part of the M12 system, featuring over 60 cordless solutions from Milwaukee.
Screwdrivers all have the same problem. You have to hold the screw. Not anymore. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder holds the screws for you. Drive screws with one hand, even above your head or in hard-to-reach places. Keep up to 6 bits on board and switch between them with the slide action. It's all powered by a lithium-ion battery that stays charged for up to 18 months. Need an extra hand? You've got it. The WORX SD driver with automatic screw holder. Get yours today.